Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer your iPad to a new owner in 2025. Whether you're upgrading, selling, or gifting your device, this step-by-step guide will ensure a seamless and secure handover. By 2025, Apple has made transfers even easier with enhanced privacy features, so let's dive right in. First things first, always start with a backup. Open the Settings app on your iPad, tap your name at the top, and go to iCloud. Hit iCloud Backup, and make sure it's up to date. This step is crucial because it safeguards all your photos, apps, and data from being lost forever. Next, sign out of your Apple ID to protect your personal information. Head back to Settings, tap your name, scroll down, and select Sign Out. You'll be prompted to enter your password. Do that, and make sure to turn off Find My iPad while you're at it. This prevents the new owner from tracking your other devices accidentally. Now, for the big reset. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPad. Choose Erase all content and settings. This will wipe everything clean, but don't worry, your backup has you covered. Apple might prompt you for additional security verification in 2025, like Face ID or a passcode, to ensure only you can initiate this. Once that's done, hand over the iPad to the new owner. They'll need to set it up from scratch, starting with connecting to Wi-Fi and signing in with their own Apple ID. If they're new to iOS, suggest they restore from a backup if they have one. A few quick tips for 2025. Keep an eye out for any new Apple updates that might introduce AI-assisted transfers for even faster processes. Always double-check that you've removed any payment methods linked to the device, and if you're selling it, include the original box and accessories for a smoother transaction. There you have it. Your iPad is now ready for its next adventure. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.